Good afternoon and welcome back. It's time to find out what I've actually got, what these cards have got on them. I mean, obviously I've had a quick look over them, but it's time to get down dirty and get some stuff off them. At the moment, the 13 I've jacked up, she's on the stands, getting ready to put it up. Just went and borrowed a couple of stands off my neighbour, get the front up in the air, get under it, because the plan for this car, I think it's going to give me some parts for my S13. So, it's got some Shockworks coilovers in it. My S13 would love them. What else has it got? It's got a 25 box. Absolutely, my car would love that. It means I can sell the dog box. You can see it in there. Yeah, it's got a 34 dog leg shifter in there. Don't think that's suitable. I think I'm going to have to make it a little bit bigger. But apart from that, obviously, we need to make some money back. I spent a lot of money on these cars. And yeah, now I'm feeling a little bit broke, so I need to get back into the green. So it's time to pull some bits off. The wheels can come off, I'll sell them. The dash can come off. It's actually meant to have a Cusco diff in it, so that can come out. Obviously you have to check that's that. The motor, I'm not sure what's happening with that. At the moment that's going to go into a little corner in the garage. But I think I've got a use for the hot side. And the injectors, and obviously the ECU, but not the loom. The loom's actually done alright. I'll give it a 5 out of 10, but I can do better. Because the ECU is getting used in this one. Just had my neighbour, my painter friend over, he had a quick look at the bay. She's going to get redone. Obviously, it needs to. The car's nice and red, the bay's not so nice and red. So we'll get rid of the battery tray. Apart from that, it'll be pretty much a scuff and shoot. Nothing too special, I'll strip her down. And we'll get it looking nice. Obviously, won't have ABS when it goes back together, but every other feature should be there. Even air conditioning, if I can find a front condenser. If anyone's got one, let me know. I need to buy one. I found out as well, the max peating rods aren't max peating rods. They're actually 10s. So that's a bit nicer, but still junk. They're coming out. I'll put some new coilovers in it. Probably just put some basic HSDs or something. Boot. Yeah, you guys saw the boot last time. She's nothing too special. But I guess it is time now, really, just to jump into these cars. We'll start by getting this 13 up on stands and finding out what I'm working with under there. Oh, the other one as well. Gotta get these seats out. I got no use for fixed back buckets. So let's get these out, work out what's actually going on with them. The driver's one's pretty bloody good. Passenger's one's got some wear. They got rails and stuff, so probably pop them up for sale, I reckon. So, need to make some money back. Man, these cars are easy to play with. It's been a while since I pulled some bits off one of them, but it's going smooth. Coilovers are out, it's looking a little bit more empty. Interior, seats are out, dash is out, steering wheel's just off. I reckon that steering wheel will get used on the 14, but if I can find a factory wheel, it'll go back in. Rear coilovers are out. Otherwise, all the arms are still in there. At first I thought they were IKEA Formula rear arms, not 100% sure, because they usually have a sticker. Somehow it doesn't fall off. Otherwise, yeah, stock arms painted. Oh no, it's actually an Nismo top arm. Bottom arm's been painted silver, looking like an Nismo one. Haven't got the motivation to go under and get the diff before lunch. The wheels are off. Bloody wide these things. Well, not that wide, 8.5s and 9.5s I think they are. But they're like negative offset all round. Huge. Out of curiosity, pulled the cover off the battery tray. And yeah, she's loose. If you're having a crash, that's a bad time. Trust me. When I had a cow, that left the battery, oh sorry. The battery left the box. I had foam holding it in place. I was young, dumb. I didn't know any better. And I thought that was enough. But yeah, it escaped. So yeah, strap down your batteries. So the interior's pretty empty. Engine bay, haven't touched anything. Don't think I will. Can't be stuffed. It's a big job in itself. If anyone's ever seen this done to an SR20, I'd like to know. Looks like someone's put a breather on here. I'm going to blame the Hoolies on this one because I think it's Mo's old car. I'm going to hit him up about it. But yeah, not sure what's going on there because SRs don't breathe. We'll deal with that when we deal with that. What else is going on? Yeah, seats are chilling over here. The driver's side definitely genuine. Passenger side, I'm just going to have to look over it. Looks genuine from what I can tell, and obviously the owner told me that. Why would I doubt him? But yeah, we'll get these up for sale, get the dash up for sale, make some money back. That way I can start spending money on the S14. Buy some stuff like the coilovers, the wheels. That way when it's all back together I can smash her out. That right, Albert? And you had a bloody GK Tech spacer. See how small that nut is now? She started off that soft metal. Bloody destroying it. Just put this socket on there. He's meant to get him off. He's pretty much loose on there now. Gonna try and smack him on real hard again. Otherwise I have to go up. What do you reckon, Albert? Screwed, isn't it? I know. Far out, man. Otherwise I gotta put cuts in the side. It's just a nightmare. Yeah, buddy. I know I'm not giving you enough attention. Yeah. We'll try to smack some more sockets on this. This started off a 19, this is a 17mm, this is extractor bloody thing. So I'm just going to keep smacking at it, keep you guys updated. Oh, that should be on there pretty good now. See how we go. Just wants to jump off. Trying to use the power bar instead of the gun this time, just to try and help it. It's destroying the metal though. Oh. The outside lip's still there, so I might try to smack a socket around that. There we go this time. Gonna go, it was a 19, so I'm gonna try and go 20 over the outside edge. I have little to no faith in this. Should be on there good. Oh, that was a fail. Now we're going to go 19 over the outside edge. Just keep bringing it down. It's on there better. Try a power bar for this one. Nah, it wants to bounce off. God damn. I don't want to cut you off at all. Honestly, that wheel spacer ruined me. So I'm going to go on to something productive. Got the headlights. Let's get these out, get them in the car because they're just flopping around. And just having a bit of a look over the bay, working out what I've got to do to finish stripping it. Pretty much wiper motor off, loom out, brake booster out, a couple of other little things bolted off, fuel lines out, and disassemble the fuse box and back out and pull the front guards off too, I reckon, which means side skirts off, which is easy enough too. Yeah, no, should be right. That is simple. A couple of nights work, I'll have this ready for paint. Probably won't bother filming any of it because it's bloody boring. So let's get these bloody lights out and be done with the video.